Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an OnlyFans account specifically for men. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to sign up for an account on the OnlyFans website. Go to the official site and click on sign up to create your account. Fill in your personal details, including your email, username, and password. Once you are in, make sure to upload a high quality profile picture that represents you well. Next, set up your account by adding a bio and a cover photo. This is where you will give potential subscribers an idea of what they can expect from your content. If you plan on sharing fitness, lifestyle, or exclusive content, make it clear in your description. You can also link your social media to increase exposure. Finally, to start earning money, you'll need to set up a payment method. OnlyFans offers a variety of payment options. You can choose to offer subscriptions, tips, and pay-per-view content. So think about the type of content you want to share and how you want to monetize it. And that's it. Now you know how to create an OnlyFans for men. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.